Grandpa! Grandpa!
Oh, you're still awake. What's wrong, honey?
I've got a cold, Grandpa, and I'm afraid of the boogeyman.
Oh, don't worry about him. People say he's retired.
Whoa, you know him? Why does he eat kids?
Let me tell you a story. The boogeyman was born from a sneeze. He was such a sweet fellow, but people hated his snotty skin. And one day...
I'm gonna beat you up. Huh? Oh.
It was love at first sight. They did everything together. Until... she was gone. From then on, he hated sniffles and sneezes and mucus. That's when he vowed to destroy all the snotty-nosed kids in the world.
That story's sad, Grandpa. Achoo!
Oh, sweetie, there's one more thing I forgot to mention. I'm not your grandpa. He's over there.
Huh?
And I'm the boogeyman. Nom, 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 nom,